It is time to fix my hair. Oh, jawel hoor. My hair. So I just washed my hair, and like I mentioned before, I wanted to talk quick about shampooing, especially when you want to start a healthy hair journey. And there are so many advice online, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Google. Like, you can find so much information, and it can be a little bit hectic. It can be a bit hectic when it comes to how to go about creating a routine that is good for you. And it is a journey. It really is a journey. I started my healthy hair journey in 2011. I mentioned on my blog before, this EEMSDIARY.com. But on my blog, I mentioned that I was doing the most. I will first color my hair to blonde, and then I will put a red color over it, and whenever I was done with the color, I will switch back to black. And then I was like, you know what, I miss my red hair color again, and then I will do the whole process over again and still relaxing my hair. So I was doing too much, and my hair broke off. My hair broke off so bad that the back, like one side, it was bald. Like, I was like, girl, what are you doing? Like, it was really bad. So that was the time that I went online and searched for information. Like, I know there is a way to have healthy, relaxed hair. And yeah, I came across some ladies, You Love Max, Hairlista, what's her name again? She had a platform, Keep It Simple Sister, Tracy. Those ladies really helped with my healthy hair journey. So moving forward, 10 plus years further, and we're still on a healthy journey. For me, keeping my hair healthy is really, really important. But I also really love and enjoy to style my hair because, yeah, my hair is really important to me. Like, that is the way how I express myself. Let's bring it back before I start rambling. When I started with my healthy hair journey, there were two things that were importante, like really important. And that was having a consistent hair care routine. And in the hair care routine was being consistent with washing my hair. Yeah, like, I was the type of girl that believed how dirtier your hair is, how dirtier your scalp is, your hair will grow better and all that good stuff. That's all false. Listen, your scalp needs to be clean, it needs to be fresh, and for me, that is washing my hair once a week. So today I use two different type of shampoos because every shampoo has their own how do you say it, ik kan niet op het woord komen. Like, every shampoo has its own use, right? So let me show you the shampoos that I use for today. One, let's start with this shampoo. This shampoo is a clarifying shampoo, and I clarify my hair once a month. And the clarifying shampoo is really a deep cleanse shampoo that gets rid of all the buildup, all the dirt. Like, it really removes it, like, it strips everything away, so your hair can be very, very dry. Like, to be honest, like, even with this shampoo, I can feel like it has removed all the oils from my scalp. And that is what I like, because once a while, so for me once a month, I do a deep cleanse shampoo to get rid of all the junk. So again, I use the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. I also have other clarifying shampoos that I really, really enjoy. So I'm going to share more products that I enjoy in my hair care routine. But today I use this one. And I always follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, and today's choice was the ApHogee Deep Moisture. And I use this one because I am going to blow dry my hair, and maybe even going to flat iron my hair, or I am going to use my round brush. But this moisturizing shampoo, yeah, to be honest, I haven't used this shampoo for a while. Like, I can say for the last 7 months I haven't touched this shampoo, and when I was using it I was like, yeah, I missed you. I missed you. Like, it really brings moisture to my hair. It is soft, it has a silky finish to it. So I used this once and I used this twice. And when I used this, I let the shampoo sit on my scalp for a minute or two just to really get into my scalp. And yeah, I used this shampoo twice on my scalp. Yeah, to really bring back the moisture. As you can see, this is my hair. So this is my scalp. It looks clean. Let me go back. Ah! Yeah. I love it. I really love it. It is light. It is bouncy. My hair is growing. Like, I even have some new growth. And I really need to look up when was the last time I relaxed my hair. But yeah, this is my hair. I really need to condition my hair. But yeah, I wanted to share with you the shampoo that I used today for getting my scalp clean. Again, I will make another video and I will go more in depth the different type of shampoos that we have. I have a post on my blog about it. I will put the link in the description box so that you can read and find out what the different shampoos are. I am going to do a video about the different type of shampoos that we have and their benefits and why you use them, because a shampoo is not just a shampoo. Like mentioned, this is a clarifying shampoo, this is a deep moisture shampoo, you have a protein shampoo. I'm even talking about it right now. But yeah, you have a protein shampoo, you have a neutralizing shampoo, you have there are even shampoos that are meant to detox your scalp. Yeah, there are different type of shampoos. So I'm going to make a video about it and be more in depth. If you want to keep up with the products that I use and the product that will be great for you as well, like and subscribe and join the Hair Journey Diary family. But yeah, let me stop rambling and go and condition my hair.